In this video, we will study about cell division meiosis. Cell can divide in two methods. One is mitosis and second is meiosis. Now, in this video, we will study about meiotic cell division, that is meiosis. Now, meiosis is a double division which occurs in a diploid cell or nucleus and give rise to 4 haploid cells or nuclei, each having half the number of chromosomes as compared to parent cell. Now, if we see, this is the parent cell having chromosome number is equal to 16. This is a diploid cell. 2n is equal to 16. 2n is mean this is diploid cell. When this cell will divide by meiotic cell division, this will divide first into two daughter cells having chromosome number reduced to half, n is equal to 8. So this is the haploid state of a cell. This is called as meiosis 1. This is also called as heterotypic or reductional division. Here 2n state has been converted to haploid state. 2n is converted to haploid, and in this cell division in meiotic 1 or meiosis 1, there is combination of the genes. Crossing over take place in the chromosome, leading to new genetic recombination and chiasmata formation. Now these two daughter cells can further divide into 4 cells. Chromosome number will remain the same. So this daughter cell divides to form 2 daughter cell further. This will divide to form 2 daughter cell further. So one parent cell has given rise to 4 cells. Second division is also called as meiosis 2, homotypic or equational division. Chromosome number remains the same. So one parent cell giving rise to 4 daughter cells. Diploid state has been converted to haploid states. Now this meiosis may occur at the time of the spore formation. Now in case of pteridophyte, gymnosperm, angiosperms, main plant body is sporophyte. Now they will reproduce by the formation of sporangium. Each sporangium has sporogenous tissue. Now sporogenous tissue will metamorphose to form spore mother cell. They will undergo a meiotic cell division to form spore tetrad. Each spore mother cell will form 4 haploid spores. So if meiosis is occurring for the formation of the spores, this is called as sporogenic meiosis. If it occurs during formation of gametes, this is called as gametic meiosis. And gametes which are being produced after meiosis, they are called as meiocytes. If meiosis occurs in zygote, this is called as zygotic meiosis. Now what is zygote? In a female structure, there is production of eggs. Now, egg fuse with the sperm. Now this is the sperm, or we can say male gamete. Both will fuse, leading to the formation of zygote. Now zygote is having diploid chromosome number. If meiosis occurs in zygote, this is called as zygotic meiosis. Now diploid cells, they possess 2 genomes. Haploid cells, they have single genome. Like if we see this cell, here in this cell we have 8 chromosomes, n is equal to 8. So genome is a complement or set of chromosome where each kind is represented by a single chromosome. So we can see 8 chromosomes, they are representing singly in this cell. So n is equal to 8. Now when they become double, 2n is equal to 16. So diploid cell will possess the 2 genomes. Haploid cells will have single genome. Meiosis is divided into 3 subphases: interphase, karyokinesis, and cytokinesis. Interphase is the state of a cell where it prepares for cell division. It attains its proper shape, size, structure, and maturity. And this is further divided into 3 subphases: G1, S, and G2. In G1 phase, there is formation of new RNA, protein, accumulation of the nucleotides, amino acids, and energy-rich compounds, adenosine triphosphate, etc. The cell has to divide. Protein are to be produced, so new amino acids are needed for the formation of the protein. RNA is also needed. In the S phase, there is formation of the histone protein, as well as there is replication of the chromosome. We can see this is the DNA, And these are the histone protein which help in packing of the or binding to the DNA in the chromosome. Now, because new chromosome, new RNA, new proteins are going to be produced, so new histones are also needed, which are required for the packing of the DNA in the chromosome. Now, in the G2 phase, there is formation of the macromolecules, big molecules like protein, carbohydrate, etc. Now, because when from one cell, 8 cells or 4 cells or 2 cells are being produced, so new cell organelles are required. Spindle formation is the fibrous structure to which chromosome they get attached. This we'll discuss in the next videos. Spindle formation is also required. Macromolecules, they help in formation of the spindle apparatus. So this is when a cell prepare for its cell division. This is called as interphase. And when a nucleus divides into two, this is called as karyokinesis. Like this is the cell. Its nucleus divides into two nuclei. This is called as karyokinesis. So division of one nucleus into two is called as karyokinesis. Now, this karyokinesis or division of the nucleus will occur in the two stages, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Like we discussed, meiosis 1 is also called as reductional division. Meiosis 2 is called as equational division. In meiosis 1, chromosome number is reduced to half, diploid state is converted to haploid state. New genetic recombination also take place in the meiosis 1, but in meiosis 2, chromosome number will remain the same. This is further divided into prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, telophase 1. And meiosis 2 is further divided into prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2, and telophase 2. Now, after division of the nuclei, cytoplasm will also divide. This is called as cytokinesis. This is further of two types, successive and simultaneously. Like this division of one nuclei into two is called as karyokinesis. When two nuclei are produced, and wall formation occurs like this. After the division of the nuclei, division of cytoplasm occur, wall formation occur. So this is called as successive cytokinesis. But if a cell divide to form four nuclei, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then wall formation occurs, so this is called as simultaneous cytokinesis. So when cell division take place, it is divided into interphase, karyokinesis, and cytokinesis. Interphase, cell prepares for cell division. In karyokinesis, nucleus divides. In cytokinesis, cytoplasm divides. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe.